Hi guys, this is your boy Martin, and today Tuesday short video is about how to remove the top case on Can-Am Spyder RT20 Plus, or this video works also for F3 Limited RT with the top case. This video is brought to you actually by toursont3.com, so the coolest tour and rental agency in the world. It's based in Europe, in Bratislava, and we have about 10 Spyders and Rykers, so RT20 Plus, F3 Limited, F3S Special Series, Rykers, and our bikes are fully loaded. So they're like yours at home, just better. Self-guided tours, guided tours, day rent, everything. Now guys, enough of this. Let's get started. This job is fairly simple. You need to unlock your top case, of course, open it, grab the, wherever it is, the opener, and turn it to the left, so anti-clockwise. Indicator will change from green to red, so something like be careful. You can close the lid or top case lid. Now raise it a little, push, grab the handle and push it for the first time, let it sit down again and push it again, and then it releases. Now what you need to do, I like to keep it like this for the brief moment. Unplug your cables. It's a top case light, brake light, daylight, and you know, the sensor for trunk lid, whatever. And put the water protector rubber there, and now you're free to remove it. When you putting it back, all you have to do is you have these two hooks, so you need to push them into its place. Now don't forget to put the cables back in and put it on its place, push it all the way front. Now push the handle and it will sit nice. And basically how you can test it, that it cannot be raised and pulled. Okay, that's the correct way. Now open the trunk, close your unlocking mechanism so it turns from red to green, and you good to go. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this video helped you. In case it did, thumbs up please, and some comment, whatever, like thank you. And in case you would like to tour Europe on 3 wheels, toursont3.com. Now guys, remember, do whatever, but in case you would like to travel, come visit me, and always have fun.